Have you ever wondered how some YouTubers rake in over $9,000 a month just by posting shorts? Yeah, you've probably seen a bunch of videos sharing the secret sauce, but let's be honest, that space is crowded now. So, what's the game changer? AI, my friend, and not just any AI, I'm talking about using it in a way that's fresh and unique. So, here's the deal. I got inspired by the success of past videos and thought, why not take this up a notch? We're still rocking with tools like ChatGPT and Canva. But here's the twist. We're automating the whole content creation process. Imagine producing 3 months worth of YouTube shorts in one go. Now let's talk proof. Ever seen those quiz and riddle videos that just glue you to the screen? That's exactly what we're aiming for. High engagement equals high watch time. And if you're curious about monetization, just peek at the page source of a channel and search monetize. Seeing is believing, right? All right, moving on to the execution plan. First up, creating riddles. We'll get AI like ChatGPT or Google's BERT to whip up 300 riddles. Why 300? Because variety is the spice of life and we want our channel spicy. Next, video creation. We'll jump onto Canva, design some sleek templates, pop in those riddles, maybe add some cool animations and timers to keep our viewers hooked. Oh, and we can't forget the tunes. Gotta keep it royalty-free though, thanks to YouTube's music library. Bulk creation time. Canva's bulk create tool is a lifesaver. Link it to a Google Sheets document and bam, 30 unique shorts ready in seconds. We keep each batch looking fresh by mixing up the backgrounds and colors. Finally, setting up the channel. We're talking catchy titles, engaging descriptions, the right tags, and yes, ChatGPT is gonna help us nail that too. Consistency and a little bit of flair are key here. So there you have it. Stick to the plan, keep experimenting, and you could be the next big hit on YouTube with a little help from our friend AI. Ready to start your journey? Let's make it happen. Hey there, thanks for sticking around till the end. If you found this video helpful or inspiring, make sure to hit that like button. Your support means the world to us and helps us bring you more awesome content. Have any questions or want to share your thoughts? Drop a comment below. We love hearing from you. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest tips and tricks for online money-making success. Let's keep growing together.